Assalamu alaikum, you guys. Hope you're all doing really well. So today I'm here at one of my favorite places, and you'll get to know once I'm inside. Welcome back to Dubai Diaries. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to bring very exciting stuff for you guys. But you see these waterfalls over here. So I didn't know that Mall of Emirates had these made for decoration purposes, but this Van Cleef and Arpels entrance of Mall of Emirates is very different. It's very cool. It's more like a fashion look that it gives to you. So access to luxury fashion dome. So yeah. Guys, once you enter inside, you have all the luxury brands on your sides, and then we have Van Cleef and Arpels over here, and this is a cafe, Cipriano Dolce. I haven't been there ever, but one day we'll definitely give it a try. And you have Chanel, Valentino, Givenchy, Saint Laurent, Louis Vuitton, Versace, etc., all Balenciaga, all these brands, Bottega Veneta. See, we cannot even pronounce the names properly, but at least we are trying. But apart from this cafe, I wanted to show you this dome, which looks so cool right now. So it's almost 6:10 p.m. something, but this dome looks so lit and pretty over here. Do you see that? So I'm here to give you a very special review today. So for that, you guys have to stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to Dubai Diaries. So guys, there are a humongous number of entrances to Mall of Emirates, from which that I came right now is their luxury entrance. They call it luxury dome something, because there was a dome at the top that I showed you. And then we have Dior and the other luxury brands. So we saw LV from there, but they have a store over here as well. And if I go further, you have Christian Louboutin. So I am in love with this shape of Dior bags and this color. It's trending a lot this summer. Trust me, it's like most of the ladies who can afford this color in whichever brand they can, they are having it. So we have Louboutin, Christian Louboutin. I don't know what's the logic of having these heels being so expensive, but this color looks really cool, trust me. And then we have this Tiffany & Co. Their rings are to die for, trust me. So one day inshallah we'll get one. So stay tuned and let's explore the rest of the things that I want to show to you guys. And we have the Rimowa bags counter over here, and now I am inside the main dome. So I will show you once I'm at the upper floor as well, but it looks really lit from here. Do you see that? The different elevators coming and going here and there, and then you have the different things that are going on. So every now and then there's something going on here. So today it's something by Hisense. So it's a kind of a play area that they have created for the kids so that they can come and enjoy. And we have another brands related booth over there. We have Bengati over there. So I'll go and show you the upper side as well, but let's go and catch up with what I wanted to actually show to you guys today. It was not the luxury brands, like we have Hermes over here, and then do you see these colors? I love it. Okay, that lady has to move. She is it's not a lady, it's a guy, I'm sorry. He has to move because I want to show these colors to you. They have created this prettiest artwork at Hermes, and it looks really lit. You can see from here as well. So apart from this, let's go and catch up with what we are actually here for, and stay tuned. But look how amazing, you know, this because it's about to be sunset in few minutes. So how the direction of the sun is and how it's reflecting here, all around the Mall of the Emirates. It looks really good. Stay tuned and yeah. So guys, what I'm here for today is this coffee, and it's the Spanish latte from Arabica. It's one of the best coffees that you can find over here in the UAE, and I think it has branches at other places as well. But the taste, it's amazing. You can have their cappuccino as well. I love their cappuccino as well. But today I explicitly came here for their Spanish latte, and it's in front of Home Center. So I am in their Mall of Emirates branch, and I believe it has one of the best coffees that they serve. And this place has one of the best coffees ever in Dubai that I have ever found. And with that, I got this 4-bite brownie. I'll have to work a lot in order to burn it, but that's okay. We are in the mall. We can do that. But I've heard good reviews about it. I wanted to try another of their lemon cake. I've tried it once before. It's very good, but then today it was not available. It's so rushy, it's so crowded today. It's the weekend, so that's why. It's Friday evening and it's buzzing with people. That's why things are almost finished. So I wanted to show you the total as well, you guys. So it's the receipt, and the with full fat milk, less sweet, it's almost 28 dirhams, and then the brownies for 19, and the total bill amounted to 47.80. One thing I want to tell you guys, that coffee at Arabica is expensive. It's not cheap like at any other coffee place. You can get it in 22.80, in 22 dirhams, etc. But here you have to spend good 28 dirhams to have this Spanish latte. But then I'm not asking you to take it daily, but you need to come and give it a try. It's one of the best coffees ever. It's like a must recommendation from me, from a very foodie person who is giving you a very amazing recommendation of this. So let's dive into this, both of them. Let's try. I'm trying their brownie for the first time as well. Let's try this, and I'll delve into it, and I'll let you know how does the brownie tastes, because the latte itself tastes amazing as always. I just wanted to show you how amazing these luxury brands are over here. They have really good variety. Anyway, I have to share the review of the food with you guys, the coffee and the brownie. So it tasted really elite. The coffee was so good. The brownie was also good, and they had this salt kind of a thing that was being put on top of it, and it was balancing that sweetness of the brownie itself. So it was really good. If you want to give it a try, make sure you buy their brownie. But there's another cake that they have which has much more amazing taste to it. There's a lemon cake. It was not available today. It got finished. So next time, maybe whenever I come over here, I'll share that the review of it with you guys, and I'll show it to you. And now I'll just do the rest of the stuff that I had to wind up in the mall, and I'll head back to home, and I'll catch up with you in my very next video. Make sure you subscribe to Dubai Diaries. And we have Prada over here, and these bags like the ones at Loewe, I'll show you. They're really in, and then they're very affordable brands that are creating them as well. So if you want to buy, you can also search them on Shein. Just available on very reasonable prices. Anyhow, with that, I'll take a leave from you guys, and let's see what's there in the middle dome. What's happening over there. It's really pretty and amazing to me. That always, refreshes me so much. And we have Prada, and then we have LV coming on. So this is the luxury side of Mall of Emirates that I tried to show you today.